What wardrobe do you need as a model? So let's start with the basics. Of course, black tank tops, crop tops, shorts, skirts, and leggings, maybe even some black jeans, blue jeans, jean shorts, and a white tank top. If you stop right there, that would be pretty much everything you need for most of your modeling career. But you could also add some colored tank tops, some black mini dresses and regular dresses, even some colored mini dresses, active wear if you do any of those kinds of clients. Shoe wise, some black and nude pumps, black and nude strappies, sneakers, casual shoes, and black booties. Now, I knew a model once who did not have the budget. She had one black dress and one black tank top with a skirt, and she would wash one of them every single night and wear the other one the next day while the other one was drying. And she did that for a while until she started getting enough bookings that she had enough money that she felt like she could spend money on clothing. So if you don't have a big budget, that's okay. Just start with what you have and build on it. Look also into things like thrift stores that may have discounted items or the different apps that exist, things like that. But you don't have to have everything right away. Take your time and build it. Everything is about you in this course and doing what is best for you and your goals and your budget. Here's a bunch of basic options that I have in my wardrobe. Lots of black, but also I wear a lot of blue because it looks good on me and it makes my eyes pop. If you have a favorite color, you can try and incorporate that into your wardrobe when they don't ask for all black. But a lot of castings and modeling do ask for all black. So you want to find your cuts. Go through your closet, go to a store like Macy's or Target or Forever 21, something that has so much clothing that you will be able to find every single style and cut and pattern and color and try on everything. It's a practice for modeling. You got to try on lots of clothes in modeling anyways, but more essentially, it is so that way you can learn what looks good on your body. Take pictures and get second opinions from people you trust, but learn, like, do you look best in a circle neck or a square neck or a V neck or a spaghetti strap? What makes you feel most confident? What makes you feel like you look tall and amazing? Or if you want to look a little more curvy or whatever it is that you want, like, find the clothing that really makes you feel confident. And even consider a tailor, because what a lot of people don't realize is clothes is not meant to be made in this mass way. We don't look the same. We don't carry our body weight the same. There are 8 billion people on this planet, but yet we make clothing in just a handful of sizes. Things are meant to be tailored to your body in your specific shapes. And that's what really elevates clothing and makes you look phenomenal, even when it is cheaper clothing. So look into getting a tailor. It's really not that expensive to get a few items tailored. I got a pair of pants tailored the other week and it was like $10. So it's a really great option and it will make your clothes feel 10,000 times better. You want to avoid loud patterns, baggy clothing, heavy wrinkles, hiding under too many accessories, and things that are hard to get in and out of. You're constantly changing and you're almost always constantly in a rush. Having clothing that it's hard to get in and out of can really make your day just not that great. You want to take care of your wardrobe. You are spending a lot of hard time and money earning the money and then spending the money on this clothing. Take care of it so it can last for years. Get a steamer. They're really fantastic and they make you just look always professional and well put together. Travel or full size, I've seen them now even for $10, but they go up to $300 depending on how fancy or all of the little attachments that you may want. This is my actual steamer that I took a picture of here on the right. I think it was like 50 or maybe even $70, and I've had it for 3 years and I have no issues with it. I use it on a weekly basis. I really suggest having one. Hang and fold your items so that way they look good when it's time to go to castings. You don't look like you just rolled out of bed. And read the washing instructions to extend the life of your items. A few more tips about wardrobe. Like I said, find things that are easy to change, dress for the job, and find your color palette. So when we're talking about easy to change, things like stretchy fabric, dresses are really awesome. Jeggings and leggings are always pretty good. Unless they're super tight, they can be really easy to get in and out of when you're running to castings and jobs. Avoid things like lots of buttons or clothing that you literally have to like peel off your body to get in and out of it. And also layers and accessories. When you are at castings, having all these extra layers and accessories can lead to you losing things and also just be frustrating to get in and out of. But as always, do what's best for you and dress for the job. So your default dress is going to be black on black, form fitting, and high heels. If you're doing a commercial audition, you might be able to add a little bit of color. It should be well fitted. So when I say form fitting, think of leggings. And when I say well fitted, think of slacks. Like they don't look baggy on you, they fit you well, but they're not like skin tight. So form fitting is skin tight, body conscious kind of stuff. Well fitted is it clearly fits you, but it's not like hugging your body. And casual shoes, like maybe some wedges, maybe some flat forms, maybe some sneakers. For beauty jobs, you're going to want to have a strapless neckline. So anything that is makeup beauty, maybe if you're doing jewelry, a strapless neckline can also be useful. Sometimes even when I'm doing hair, I do a strapless neckline, but strapless neckline can be really helpful in certain situations. So this is what I mean when I say dress for the job. Different castings are going to require different things of you, and you'll learn as you cast like the different types of things you want to wear to different castings. You want to find your colors. So there's a website, colorwise.me. You go in, you upload a well lit photo of yourself, and you've got these little circles that you see in this example that say skin, hair, and eye. And you move these little eyedroppers to get your skin, your hair color, and your eye color, or it can do it for you. And then it can tell you what your color palette is. So if you don't know how to do it, go to that website. But you could also look at your palms. If the undertones are more blue, or you see yellow, or you see red, then of course you would be cool, warm, or both. Or you could hold some fabric up to your skin. If gold looks best on you, you are warm. If silver looks best on you, you are most likely cool. But like I said, there's this website. It's really effective. It shows you those colors, and you want to dress in those colors. You want to purchase those shades in those colors because those colors are going to make you pop. You are going to look gorgeous. You are going to look confident, and you're going to probably get a bunch of compliments, which will then help you to just be more happy and confident that day. Color design is a real thing. It is very important. And the more you learn about it, I do believe it will help you to be more successful when you understand your color palette and you dress in your color palette. It can really make you look just 10 times more amazing. You've all seen it on those morning news channels where they pluck people off the street and give them a makeover in under 1 hour, and they always look 10,000 times better. The majority of it is colors. They get the right color and dye their hair the color that looks best with their skin and eye tone, and then they put the right colors of clothing on them. And like go back and look at them now, and you will see almost every makeover was all about finding the right colors for those people to be wearing. So really, I suggest looking into your colors. That's everything for your wardrobe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. As always, I would love to hear about your wins or how this is helping you in email or publicly using the hashtag Modelesque Mindset. And if you would like to book a one-on-one, the link is provided.